like wobbling. I'm at the end. It's gonna fall on me in a second.
All right, now we're gaining video evidence here.
Oh.
Yep.
So what are the words?
This is how it's done correctly.
How many Jennifers does it take?
How many Jennifers does it take to fix a JLU?
Oh.
So, only 2.
Only 2?
Yeah.
But they have to be 6 foot tall.
Yeah.
They can't be short ones.
How are we doing now?
Yeah.
Not my Jeep.
Are they under the seat?
No, they could be.
Hey, Bill. What do you say?
Not my Jeep.
Donnie, what do you say?
Not my Jeep.
Ralph.
Not my Jeep.
It is his Jeep.
But it's not my Jeep either.
It rolls.
I don't see that. It just says winch mounting frame and frontal protection systems are suggested to suit most popular vehicles. Just says it's very important that the winch be mounted on a flat surface so that the 3-section motor, cable drum, and gear housing are properly aligned. And it says a steel mount plate 6 mm thick is recommended.
Yeah, I did that.
Fasteners should be steel high, cancel plate 5 or better. A poorly designed mount may avoid warranty.
Okay.
But it doesn't really say. It has a lot for wiring,
Yeah.
but not really wiring tension, installing the control box, front, motor.
One move from the instructions. I'll give it a try. Oh, here, use this one. It's yours. You don't have enough time. Just to see if that bolt belongs to the fucking hole in the bottom. It's gotta go well.
Yeah, oh, a little.
Yeah, I guess it was. Oh, okay.
Right there you go. Lay under there. Lay under there. You kind of feel it. And just turn it slowly.
There for a minute. I was had to avert my eyes. Oh God, no!
I was just trying to look like Tom.
Well, if you see Tom Jr., you'll understand that that's not
He's definitely
really a funny thing because
Definitely funny. You gotta get it in here a little bit more. Yeah, it's got it.
They like
See that?
It might be at work. See that? They fixed it so it's not a problem.
They're only good for one vehicle, right?
Right. They have one for. Too bad you can't share.
I do got a good, oh fuck, what happened?
I don't think I did that with mine.
all right, you're right in the shot. You turn around and look up.
What's that?
So, not my Jeep.
Not my Jeep.
I hope it stays
Look at those
together.
motherfucking tires you put on the goddamn thing. Hey, everybody, in unison, together. Not my Jeep, together.
Not my Jeep.
One more time, just for posterity's sake.
Not my Jeep.
Perfect.
If it falls apart, you got drive.
You know, you have a not my Jeep warranty on this thing, right?
It's warranted until it hits the pavement.
No, it's not even warranted that long. The warranty expired the minute that we stopped working. Anything that falls off, we are not liable for.
Did you hear about tomorrow? We're going to the water bar.